Today we are going to review how to solve two-digit times two-digit multiplication equations. So there are four steps that we need to consider. First step is writing factors in expanded form. Then, second step, we draw and fill in the area model. After that, we multiply each box. And our fourth and final step is to add all of the products. So step one, when we're writing factors in expanded form, we start with 36, and that's going to be on the top of our area model. So we're going to write that across the top. So 36 in expanded form is 30 plus 6. Okay, our next number is 45, and we're going to write that on the side of our area model. So 45 in expanded form. And when I'm doing this, I like to draw it big so I can take up a lot of space and I have room to write. So on the side, I have 40 plus 5. So I have completed step one, write factors in expanded form. Next, I am going to draw and fill in my area model. So my area model takes up the same space, the same amount of space that my numbers written in expanded form take up. So my factors in expanded form, they are the same size as my area model. And then I am going to draw my lines on the inside where my addition signs are. And the number above, so 30, that goes in each box in the column. So 30 will go in each of these boxes, and 6 will go in each of those boxes in its column. So if it's above this column, then it will go in that box. Okay, and then we have the number 40, and 40 is going to go in each box in that row. So 40 and 40. 5 is going to go in each box in the row that it's by. So 5 here and 5 here. And then we are going to put the multiplication sign in between those. So now we have completed step 2, draw and fill in the area model. Our third step is to multiply each box. And so I'm going to start with this box right here. And I see that it's 30 times 40, but I'm not going to solve 30 times 40. I'm just going to solve 3 times 4. And I know 3 times 4 is 12. And then I count up the number of zeros I have. I have 1, 2. So I'm going to add those 2 zeros into my product. And then 6 times 4 is 24. And I see I have 1 0, so I'm going to add that. Then down below I have 3 times 5, and that's 15. And then I'm going to add my 0. And then next I have 6 times 5, and I know that is 30. So I've completed step 3, multiply each box. And now we are on our final step, which is add each product. So when I'm setting this up, I am going to make sure that I start with my biggest number, which is 1,200. Then my next biggest number looks like 240, so I'm going to line up my hundreds, my tens, and my ones. Then my next biggest is 150, line up hundreds, tens, ones. And then my last smallest number is 30, so I'm going to line up tens, ones. And then I'm going to add those 0 plus 4 plus 5 plus 3, I know that is 12. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 2 is 5, plus 1 is 6, and then 1 plus nothing is 1. So I have just completed two-digit times two-digit, and if you think you understand it, then go ahead and solve the problem. If you need to review it one more time, go ahead and watch the video again, and good luck.